So the inclusive dance workshops is the next step in our work with dance with the Kimi Ora department. So I've been coming in to teach dance for quite a few years now, and over that time, as the dancers' confidence and skills increase, we want to give them more and more opportunities for leadership. And then the next step, of course, is to use dance as a way to try and break down the barriers between mainstream students and the students in the Kimi Ora department. So the first half of the session, the students lead fun dance activities. So each of the students will lead a different one, and then the second half of the session we show a film called Sam. Sam Stevens was a student at Kimi Ora for many years. He's been a dancer with Job for many years, and Tom and Carol, his parents, were so wonderful and beautiful in their honesty and sharing of their story of having Sam, of being told that he had Down syndrome, of their whole experience of going through what is it like to raise a child with Down syndrome in a society that still sees it as a medical condition.
Hi guys, I'm Samuel, and we did a couple of dances from Jolt, and we love dance for the workshops, and with the mainstream, it's I go here for Papanui High School because I want to be a good person, being helpful and being kind person.
It's really hard to tell exactly what the mainstream students take away from sessions, and I think it's really different for each individual depending on their experience. What I do see is people coming in really nervously, sometimes into the department, and that's one thing that by the end of the session they walk out with great confidence because they know that this is part of their school as well. For some students there's a real empathy with Sam's story and a really deeper understanding about discrimination, I think, in terms of Down syndrome. But at its heart, I think everybody leaves with a sense that Kimi Ora belongs and that they can belong in the Kimi Ora department.